Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will boost processor speed in Windows 10. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. First, let's right click on the start button and click on run. Now we will type msconfig, then click on OK. A window will open named System Configuration, then tap on Boot. Here we will find our main OS. After that, tap on Advanced Options. A new window will appear called Boot Advanced Options, and here we will find Number of Processor checkbox. Check on that, and click on the drop-down menu. Then click on the maximum number. Click on OK, Apply, then OK. Now, the second step we are going to do is press Start, then Settings, System, Power and Sleep. And here in the middle right side of the screen, you will see additional power settings. Click on that. A new window will open with your selected power plan. Click on Change Plan Settings on your current plan. Then change Advanced Power Settings. A new window will appear. Scroll down till you find Processor Power Management. Click on that addition button. 3 more options will appear. All we need to do is click on Minimum Processor State and make it to 0. And then click on Maximum Power State and make sure it is 100. After that, click on Apply, then OK. After that, close that window. And the last step we are going to do is right-click on the Start button, Task Manager, then click on the Start Up tab, and disable any unnecessary apps you don't want to start once you boot your PC. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you.